Guys, today we've got a 2013 Holden Barina in for an install. This is coming for the 9-inch version 6 upgrade. So as you can see, that's the user interface. It's got manual AC down the bottom here. So all that just works as per usual. You got temperature control, manual dial just works, fan speed, AC, recirculation, and then your modes on the right. So hazard buttons working as well. Unlock, lock working. So we'll start with the steering wheel controls. So steering is working fully functional. So volume up, volume down, seek on this side. So if I go into radio, yeah, so that's the main AM FM radio. So to set your station, you just tap this, find the station here, tap and hold the preset, and then likewise with the rest. So we'll just find another station, tap and hold the preset, and you got, if you slide down the bottom, you got a choice of 18 preset stations. And then yeah, so with that you go back here, the unit settings. So up the top here you've got the Wi-Fi. So with the Wi-Fi settings, this allows you to browse the internet, download applications, all that sort of stuff. So just going back out here, if we go into applications, Play Store, apps and Play Store. Once you sign into your Google Play account, you'll be able to download any application you want. So it does come inbuilt with YouTube, Spotify, Google, what else? Disney Plus, Netflix, TikTok. Then you've got the whole Play Store to choose from if you want more applications as well. So that's your internet browser. So if you just type in like YouTube, for instance, go to YouTube, it will either open in Chrome or with the YouTube app. So we'll go in Chrome for now. And that's it. So there's your YouTube. So whatever video you want to watch on here, you can. Try searching to get started, some music. So as you can see, you can watch videos from YouTube or Netflix or Google. Now this does also have a screen protector on, so if you're wondering why it's a bit blurry, that's why. I have no idea what I've done there, but it's got picture in picture, I guess. Huh. So there you go, you got a picture in picture option as well. So you can actually minimize that and put it on your home screen or with CarPlay, whichever you like. So we'll just close this now. So that's gone. What else is there? So system settings, got the mobile network, Bluetooth, general, audio. So we've got the beep function turned on at the moment with this one. We'll turn that off for the customer. Display, version and factory mode. And just going into music here, this is where you got the USB option. So if you have a USB stick plugged into your device, then you can play music off the USB stick through the external function for external hard drives and things like that. So this one just has a USB socket mounted here. Then those two just work directly with the unit itself. And then again, so if you go into video, you got the same option. So through the USBs or external hard drive, you can play movies straight off the USB or external hard drive on the unit. Going back home, sound effects, so that takes you to the built-in equalizer of the unit. to EQ, you can go here, and that's your presets for the graphic equalizer. Fader, DTS, built-in crossovers. So we'll just restore this back to factory. Then your speaker delays as well. Now this customer actually wanted a HD reverse cam fitted as well, so if we just chuck the car into reverse. Yeah, so this barina's got a nice wide angle HD reverse camera fitted to it now as well. I'll get out of the car at the end of this and show you just where it's mounted and stuff as well. So yeah, if you go into the application page here, like I said, you got Chrome up here, so that's where you access all your YouTube and online browsing stuff from. You got iGo navigation. So iGo is just the built-in navigation system that these units come with. So these doesn't require internet at all. There you go, so that's the iGo navigation, picking up exactly where we are. Going back home, so I'll connect up an iPhone for the Apple CarPlay quickly as well. So just open up the Bluetooth on the phone, and then you want to open up phone link. So as you can see, it's called please connect USB cable or Bluetooth SPD-BT. Then going over to the phone, if we just press this one, pairing request. You just press pair on the phone, confirm on the head unit, and then allow all your pop-ups. So that's connected up, and you use CarPlay on your mobile phone, so you get this pop-up here. Make sure you press use CarPlay. And there you go, so there's the Apple CarPlay. So with that you got your navigation, so Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze if you prefer to use that one. Then you got your phone, so any phone call that comes through runs through CarPlay now. Text messages, calendar, settings, WeChat and WhatsApp. Yeah, so if you whatever you're streaming music from will pop up. So if you use Spotify or Apple Music or anything like that, you just get the option here. So you got your music on this side, then your navigation on this one.